Hi everyone, this is our final product which named as Formation. Let me introduce our team. Our team name is called SCAC, which consists of 4 people in our group. And here are the problem statements that mentioned here. Our challenge focus here is operation part. And our specific problem statement is operational and resource inefficiency. And let me dive into this story and tell you about more. So in SCAC company, which known as an SME company, under here we have 2 employees, Alex and Mandy. Alex had to overwork and he realized that most of the time he's creating templates repeatedly, and this is a non-value activity that contributed to SCAC. And also, this leads to workflow inefficiency, and he also received unclear guidelines towards that. On top of that, the company provides unnecessary trainings for employee, which also leads to underutilizing the limited resources available, which is the capital. Additionally, here's Mandy. She always stressed about her work because she's handling everything from inputting data to generate reports manually by herself. So these are the several problems that leads to a certain challenges that the SME face in general. So to wrap up this, our main objective towards our product produce is to improve operational efficiency with limited resources for SME in general.
So what we came up with is Formation, an innovative dynamic template management system which utilizes the full capabilities of AppScript. With Formation, SMEs are able to swiftly set up their processes with ease with our intuitive control panel in a few clicks. With limitless customization possibilities, SMEs are able to prepare their own templates with placeholders according to their business needs on Google Docs. To use, users just need to enter the placeholder data via the intuitive and mobile-friendly interface of Google Forms and submit. And within seconds, Formation automatically replaces placeholders with submitted data and generates final documents as Google Docs, PDFs, or emails. With Formation, SMEs are able to churn out individualized documents conveniently with consistency and accuracy, as well as being highly scalable and flexible. Next, we'll be moving on to, for this product demo, I'll be demonstrating from implementation to usage of Formation. As an organization, you will implement Formation in your organization by coming to the control panel and making a copy from it. First, I'll be showcasing a proposal use case. To get started, come into here, click on SCAC, Conversion, and select doc.pdf. When the script finishes running for conversion, here, you'll be able to change the name of your process, and then you'll be able to edit your template. Here, you'll be able to enter anything you want, but in this case, I'll have a proposal prepared, template. Pasting in the contents, and secondly, I'll be pasting in the file name. To properly enable this setup, you're required to tick Enable here, and come to SCAC above here, and click Reload. When the script is done running, hover over here, it will tell you that the setup was successful, and that the name of it will be hyperlinked. Here, a Google form is generated containing all the information of which you could enter. After entering all information, you just need to click Submit. Here it will give you a confirmation of your submission. And within here, you just need to open the link that is specified there. And here is the output. And for reference, this is the template. Next, we'll be showcasing a use case scenario for meeting minutes. First, go to SCAC, Conversion, and Doc to Doc. When the script is done running, first you need to do, rename this to the name of your process, however you like. Here is the template link for meeting minutes. Here I have prepared a template, so I'll just be pasting that in alongside this. Additional thing I would do is within this folder, or anywhere on your Google Drive, you can create a new folder and just copy the link and just paste it here as the desired output. Again, tick Enable and click SCAC and Reload. When the script is done running, take note for this template. It contains a variable of which is an image type. Currently, as a constraint from Google, I'm unable to create a form item with images, so I'll just give instructions on how to change into that. After you're done editing, just go back into the control panel and click on the published link and fill in your information for this. All the information, you just need to click Submit. And within the specified Google Drive folder, you are able to expect the document of which was specified earlier. Lastly, I'll be showcasing the email type. So here, click on SCAC, conversion, and email. When the script is done running, here, it will notify you that the invitation email form is ready. After entering all information for this form, including the email that this is going to be sent to, click on submit. Here is the email from the template earlier. For reference, this is the template.
As demonstrated earlier, the feature of formation is believed will be able to help SME to achieve resource optimization and cost saving. Due to the resource constraint that some SME could have, formation will help them to reduce or minimize some of the resources such as human capital, money, and time, and allocate them on the core business function and growth. This will help to improve their productivity and efficiency. With the use of formation, it is believed that it will help to minimize potential human error with the repetitive tasks, and also will help to enhance the performance of the business. Next, our target audience. Our target audience are generally SME. The statistic has shown that there is about 322 million of SME globally and about 1.5 million SME in Malaysia as of 2021, which is during the pandemic. It's interesting to note that there's about 26% out of this population has adopted digitalization and automation into the business. We believe that there are much more business, including SME, that have yet to adopt digitalization and automation into their process, and we believe that there are so much opportunity for us out there. As for competitive analysis, we have identified two other competitors, namely PandaDocs and FrontStack Documents. Both of them provide similar feature as formation, whereby user will have their data input via forms and have different output format. But what makes formation standing out among other competitors is that it has different output formation, such as PDF, emails, Google Docs, and Google Slides. This is a seamless integration within the Google Workspace, which enable SME and also the employees within SME to have a collaborative work, and it will help to reduce costs as well, as this does not incur any cost or require any employee training. Hence, it's a very useful and user-friendly solution for all SME users.
So the feasibility is mostly based on long-term feasibility, where there's two parts: there is scalability and sustainability. For scalability, our system handles more work as the business grows, and the system is built on Google's reliable infrastructure. For sustainability, there are regular updates from Google that keeps the system up to date, as well as requiring minimal maintenance. Our system also provides two values. Firstly, which is the monetary value. The high return of investment is because of low cost and minimal training needed to use Google Docs and Forms. And as for the business value, firstly will be the operational efficiency, where it frees up staff to focus on core business and growth, as well as improving accuracy and consistency in documents. The second would be employee satisfaction, where the system reduces monotonous tasks. For the user process flow, when a user creates a new process, the system will check whether a Google Docs template exists, and it will go through a conversion selection types. After that, it will be the validation process by user pressing the reload in the system. And if validation is successful, then the system will create a Google Form link for users to fill in the inputs. As for the future enhancements for our system, it will be enhancements such as auto reloading feature for validation process, providing more types of conversion available for users, and much more. And that's all from us. Thank you.